Let's give our next group of performers a hand! What is your team name?
Sub Team 3!
And go!
The thing is, Howard, it doesn't matter how old you get, bouncy castles are still genius. Really, I went on one a few weeks ago, I nearly bounced as high as my own head.
Really?
Really.
As if you did. Did you do any somersaults?
I did, 6 of them. I also did one of those spins where you fall on your back and you land on your feet.
Jimmy flip.
A Jimmy flip. Really, it was fantastic. You would have loved it. Bouncy, bouncy. Oh, what a good time. Bouncy, bouncy. Shoes are all in a line. Bouncy, bouncy. Everybody somersault, somersault, summertime. Bouncy, bouncy, everybody sing along. Bouncy, bouncy, white socks slipping down. Bouncy, bouncy, those are a no-no. Bouncy, bouncy, oh, bouncy, bouncy, oh. Every time I bounce, I feel like I touch the sky.
Not interesting. Stop trying to convince me of the crib. A man is born alone, Howard. He's meant to spend his day in somber isolation.
Give me in! Yeah!